guys, this gas fireplace has served our family for so many years. It is very easy. It's portable. It comes in the gas or the electric version. It's very easy to install. You turn on this light, the fire comes. You can choose heat or just flame, which is really nice. And there's a high and a low setting, and also there's a fan that kicks in that blows it out. So I'm really happy with it. It's been very sturdy. The only thing that happens is sometimes if the wind blows, it can blow the pilot light out, but besides that, it's just great.